Welcome back to Ideas from Chows. I hear you, and your prayers have been answered. This is the second part of the top 10 apps that can make you money daily for free. Be it during your spare time, lunch break, work break, before bedtime, or one of my personal favorite times to earn money, during the company's time toilet break, or as I like to call it, a productive toilet break. Forget about mindless doom scrolling on the toilet, catching up on news or gossip that doesn't add any value to your life. It's 2024, and the only value we are looking for is monetary value. If you have not acted on your New Year's resolution, fret not, as I will always be here reminding you, and more importantly showing and guiding you on how to make money online. And with that, let's get you started with 10 money-making apps that you can start literally as you are watching this video. The following application on our roster is known as Cointiply, designed for individuals with a keen interest in cryptocurrency. This app provides free Bitcoin as a reward for engaging in various tasks and offers. It enables users to earn cryptocurrency by completing different activities. It's an excellent method to broaden your investment portfolio. If you're earning real US dollars through various apps and using them for expenses, it's beneficial to incorporate apps that provide cryptocurrency rewards as well. This way, you can diversify your holdings and explore the crypto market. The subsequent app in our lineup works best when integrated with either an affiliate program or a CPA network. Gab.com, a social media platform akin to Facebook, offers a free app that allows users to sign up. This platform facilitates the generation of free traffic to your links. You have the opportunity to create valuable posts on Gab.com and promote various links, including those from platforms like AF+. AF+, as an example of a CPA network, offers survey opportunities where you can earn around $2 or $3 for each email collected. These particular offers compensate you when individuals sign up for free. There's no requirement to make a sale, you simply share your links. When people register for survey websites through your provided link, allowing them to earn money for free, you receive payment, typically around $2 or $3 per email collected. Moving on to the 13th app on our list, we have tallyup.com. This application also rewards users for playing video games and is compatible with both Android and iOS. It can be freely installed, and individuals have already amassed over $1 million by engaging with this app to play video games. This app is accessible worldwide, offering a completely free opportunity to play video games. Users can engage in entertaining 30-second games against other players, where the winner claims all and doubles their tokens. Essentially, you compete for these tokens while playing video games, and later, you can exchange them for real money. Next up on our list is Loot Up, exclusively accessible on the Google Play Store, making it compatible only with Android devices. This app offers rewards for completing straightforward tasks like clicking on ads, watching YouTube videos, and answering various questions. You have the flexibility to withdraw your earnings through PayPal, receive them in crypto, or opt for Google Play Visa and various gift cards, allowing you to use the funds for your desired purchases. You can register for free, and upon doing so, you'll receive a complimentary $5 just for creating an account. It's important to note that abusing this offer by creating numerous free accounts to earn $500 a day is not a viable approach. The succeeding app is best utilized in conjunction with an affiliate offer or CPA network, similar to the previous one. Medium.com, a free app and website, allows you to create blog posts and articles. For instance, I'm currently crafting an article that delves into various YouTube automation niches. This is not just a creative endeavor but also a strategic move, as I leverage the traffic generated by this blog to direct individuals to diverse affiliate links and the works of different authors associated with the content. However, you can easily register for this without any cost. Install Medium on your mobile device and start creating blog posts where you offer valuable content to individuals interested in those particular topics while seamlessly incorporating various affiliate links for promotion. Regardless, the 17th app, accessible worldwide on both iOS and Android, is named surveymagic.co. You can register for free, and much like Banana Bucks, they present the earning process in an engaging manner while compensating users for straightforward yet mundane tasks, such as participating in surveys. It provides actual cash rewards, not just gift cards, allowing you to spend the money on anything you desire in exchange for taking surveys. The surveys typically delve into various aspects of your personal preferences and opinions, collecting valuable consumer data, and that's why they compensate you for your participation. You begin earning at a rate of 20 cents per survey completed. Each survey, comprising numerous questions across a few pages, may take around 5 minutes, resulting in earnings ranging from 20 to 50 cents. The time invested and the amount earned may vary based on your location and objectives with this opportunity. If your goal is to earn some additional cash for small purchases, like buying a gift for someone, you can allocate some of your free time to these apps and generate income by participating in surveys. However, it's important to note that the earnings might not be substantial. The upcoming app offers compensation for simply reading emails. Named Volutic, it pays you for receiving emails that typically contain advertisements. Your task is to read through these emails to earn rewards. This essentially involves viewing various advertisements, and you receive payment for doing so. The minimum payout is just 20 cents, and you don't have to wait for weeks or months to withdraw your earnings. It can happen in a single day. You can easily register for free, and the platform is regularly updated, with no prerequisite for prior experience. When signing up, it's advisable not to use your primary email to avoid excessive spam. Instead, create a new email address to provide them, and by periodically checking that inbox, you can earn money. The following app in our lineup is Macadam.app. This free application offers a unique opportunity to earn money while walking. So, just like the person who walked past you, you'll be the one benefiting by making money as you stroll around. They compensate you for this activity because they're gathering non-private data, not delving into your messages or anything sensitive. Instead, they focus on public data already accessible to everyone. The app can be installed for free, and it's available on both the Google Play Store and the App Store, catering to both iOS and Android users. If earning money for walking isn't your preference, there's an alternative app called Rewardy.io that allows you to earn cryptocurrency and make money online at no cost. You can sign up entirely for free, and despite being a new app, it has already distributed over $400,000 in payouts. You have the opportunity to earn money by watching streams, similar to watching YouTube videos. This includes getting paid for watching Twitch streams, listening to music, viewing clips with ads, playing games, and participating in quizzes. There are various ways to earn money on this app at no cost. Once you've accumulated earnings, you have the option to withdraw the money directly. Alternatively, you can use the raffle feature to potentially double your money, although it's generally not advisable. If you've made some money, the prudent approach is to withdraw and utilize it as you see fit. The 20th app on our list is usercrowd.com, and it's available for free installation on your phone. This app compensates you for participating in brief surveys, answering various questions, and taking quick tests. If a new app, company, or website emerges, they often pay regular users like us to navigate through their platform, provide honest feedback, and experiment with various buttons and features. The goal is to identify any potential issues or areas that may not be functioning optimally. Alternatively, if you come across something you dislike, you can inform them, saying, "Hey, I don't like this," providing valuable insights for potential improvements. They reward you for your candid opinions and feedback, and the best part is, it doesn't cost you a thing. That concludes today's presentation. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up. Ensure you subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our upcoming videos. Once again, this is Ideas from Chaos. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.